Hi there guys, I'm Dan from BBQLAND, the barbecue specialist retailer in Hertfordshire in the UK. Today we've got here is a Kamado Joe Classic 2. We're going to be cooking a pork tenderloin with some sweet roasted peppers and some smashed potatoes in goose fat. So let's get cracking. So on this cook we're going to be smoking a pork tenderloin over a bit of cherry wood. I've rubbed the pork loin in tenderloin in some rub. We've got the grill set up a bit differently. We've got the cast iron flat griddle over direct heat and the cast iron grate, and we've got the deflector underneath this one. We've got the pork loin sat on there. We're running around about 110 degrees C. Perfect for smoking. Chuck a lump of cherry in there. And we're going to serve that with some smashed potatoes that we'll be doing on here on the flat surface. We'll come back in about an hour. So at this stage I've taken the pork tenderloin off to rest. I've added the mustard sauce, which you're going to end up drizzling over, and then I've added a couple of peppers. We've got our lovely potatoes here that we're going to end up on the flat plate, getting some goose fat on there, smashing them down, getting all that goodness into them, adding a bit of seasoning. So now the mustard sauce is heated through, and add a dash of cream, heavy cream, so we can let that thicken. So it's time to check. Everything's looking good. Waiting for the peppers to blacken their skin so we can peel it off and they'll be nice and sweet. Beautiful. They're going to slide off lovely. What we're going to do, that's slightly thickened up lovely. What we're going to end up doing is transferring the peppers over here to the indirect side, the other way up. Some goose fat. And what we're going to end up doing, getting some on there. Getting the potatoes on there, and mash them down. What we've done, we've parboiled these potatoes so they're nice and soft, and then they can be smashed down into the goose fat to create a beautiful crust. And add a little bit more goose fat over the top for good measure, obviously. Get some garlic pepper rub. We're going to sprinkle all over the potatoes because we love a bit of garlic pepper. And we're going to shut the lid, let that really caramelise up the potatoes. So now, time for the flip of the potatoes. Scrape all that goodness up. Beautiful, look at that. Lovely caramelisation on them. And where they're already parboiled, we're just looking for that crust that will form on the outside. That's what I'm looking forward to anyway. Flavour. Now, with a couple of knobs of butter to give it a real glossy, silky finish, going to add a real richness. So I've just got the potatoes off, the blackened peppers, which will peel later on, so they're lovely and sweet, and of course mustard sauce that's going to glaze the pork and the rest of the dish, and it's going to be amazing. Right guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for a lot more barbecue content and videos, etc. Show you how to use all different bits of equipment. I'll see you next time.